So the players are complaining. Just no. So TV for now won't get it's itchy. There be just be a lawyer. Just say papa be a won't get out. Otim fifra. Now you be able to come and say. Again, the Jesse is like Otumrika. They struggle to breathe because it's hot. Like you could see, say it generates heat. Let me. It generates heat, and he already serious complainer. I call for they are aware of this issue. So me can just say they are aware of it. The players are complaining. One, it's itchy. Utum fifra, utum rekana na honke cow. You could hear some honke cow. Two, it starts to generate heat. And one hour born, one say at heat nama.
Me was asam kakra.
But you quite know.
Was the players in there complaining?
Yes.
Or complaining chairman?
Oh, but to say our sources there, we can't just come here.
No, me can't say playing, but has he told the team manager or more team aware?
Yes, aware.
And now more can about
no, the team manager who are aware say this is what is happening. They just say almost say bobo na omutumrika na ohun kika omo.
Anu ntina omo too much is omo ntimi.
Oh, there be say I have not said enamo but mzoto say you know. So who say mzoto just say out bobo say who bobo na one say a generating heater the chance say e ma obrentem mzoto when you struggle to breathe just say
almost they struggle to breathe.
Yes, because heat say heat no more here ntina ma home nso ho kire home. So it's already you know after 2 games na complain say about things say a bad idea e so mo hwe those who brought the jersey no if they will go and do proper jersey from their bar and many here because untim bobo na players already 2 games now or say no kai kan na or tumrika na
after 2 games players
can breathe. I think it's something that any bia.
Now Zaki okay me nyintum.
We nyintum say.
In fact, I don't want to believe it. Say
say for now there's no say reporter.
Tama no credit home. Tama tell me mo yem fa asam job yes to.
So hold out Zaki to ana.
Me for the first time. For the first time baby Tamale so Kotoko. Tamale.
So benya mo say lawyer dey say
so almost say a change ne.
Lawyer dey metin ase.
Baby o free balance aka akoma ehun bibi.
Lawyer how dey hear say nya no kra. Say em so o cancel be omunti go mbebusa place. So mbuso no mka say nka hwe a. So asem ni fi.
We dey source we dey.
No Zach ni on ta in tran.
Asem we dey me
yeah ne.
For the first time.
Ndoto e dey asam ye be kan you better say say no be
the shade on said so players can brief after 2 matches.
Who may not say
say ya no be kan
na ya who me fa dezim
so say hit
allow me sign that say ya who me fa
yeah say you struggle to breathe because of the heat. Understand? Heat in a woman.
Oh yes, so your business. Go second.
I'm your business man.
No, what's your heat that?
So they are struggling, and I think the assembly
hope brand.
You can't say you are NBC, but we know science assembly because this is coming from the whole horse mouth. The sources, you know, science and the players are struggling. I think now, one day. Yanjintum
lawyer for the phone by force.
Gold Stars dominated everything. They had a lot of possession, they had a lot of chances, and Asante Kotoko. I didn't feel say Ogum. Unsem ball half Lions. Can't what he say. And then I say Ogum team is still boom 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 boom.
Especially Ansu.
Because Ogum team is passing. But even in Kumasi again Lions, no Kotoko bim bim. Na mentia and it replicated because me hu lala pra mu say sa no kwakobo me nya hu lala pra mu say Eyemfege Watara and Mukwala all started Musa that's a couple long balls nibium because what are they mostly because of air balls to win the air balls no sound of one obium long balls once Gold Stars were controlling the game me feel say I said the try and error no air doors we be bo no ya be bo we be bo and more that consistent
2 matches
yes Mr. to obedi team you have to have your core guys that you are building the team around. No more to be able to know themselves very well. But in the way, unya the telepathy and understanding. Team this team so too. Even though say you can't say is your bird. Based on the old one I see and from him, say your money enough time say and your trophy no omope. Onya resource no on body team no. But say
and that's what he's doing.
So amanya botre
amount na catch lawyer say and too early say because already you have some tune for kind. Senior chinchina akodi bibi bra. Munya no mu bia man nye na dwuma no building the team. No one build the team no. On some soccer so we do year be na Africa Cup.
Come on, you know coach Nankasa interest in America.
Why interest?
Coach Nankasa in his own interest. So share everyone. Because you say rebel did no. If you do for Nankasa pamu na wankasa.
No, I know can some.
So do for na so pamu. What do was it rebel?
All right, that's
you understand that
team so but
you know headline here heat no.
Yeah. Oh, so I feel neko. Unze ye di
who can be for house this one we buy no. We have test be we has say me na me just say ngo for say omombre house this no. There's some Pakistan say.
Pakistan.
And I'm saying that's cricket. Okay, Captain.
Yeah, so me no surprise about Kotoko elusu baby any. So beka ya me can say the last 2 games and Kotoko akobon baby any. So to me nya opportunity for sa games no. The first match Kotoko akobon baby any in baby any first season in the league. So a boxing Kotoko to Taugu say entering to us because it was a game that they dominated, created a lot of good chances. To me. Even last season, Kotoko share first go referee J penalty ball baby any player answer edema baby any for no. And yet game man say Kotoko share against the run of play. Baby any came in and taker. So that make an answer. They are not a lack yet the character to play Asante Kotoko. Because now say football any coaching sense that mean who are they are. So we bet me they are attack coach back a lot. Because when teams create opportunities for them, glaring opportunities don't to go, you don't blame the coach. You say team is not playing well. So when team create opportunities, glaring opportunities for them to score, the only team wants you don't blame the coach so much. Say or not.
No,
Well, it's that and the other players not lucky. The final, but the
team who coaches.
Of course, these are players are not.
Or you are saying, say,
you
are telling us saying, coach,
when you are playing at the Premier level, then I use the word glaring opportunities. These are chances that are easier to score than to miss.
And just saying, me question. So now, go channel and coach.
I can coach your Juma home. I can catch your but
say, do 18.
That's some stage you want us to
do 18 more. Do this, don't do that.
Yes,
move like this, pass like
this. Players, there are things that will cost in Premier League and
I've heard you guys here saying, say, Coach B, Ama Obi goes.
Oh, it will improve.
So, one a better.
So, you improve the panel. Right? But